Before Shelby.
She has?
Yeah.
No, she hasn't.
She's been in here before. Because remember we let her walk on the grass while the guy was drying the car?
She seems like more scared now.
She probably doesn't remember it.
Or at least not too well. Jeez, you standing right on me. Shelby in the thingamajiggy, the car wash. Bo hasn't did my side yet. He has. Shelby, Shelby, yeah.
Hello. Well, see what you can do with your guy. Yeah.
What? Another one? Yes. Yes, give me it. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it. Just give me one. It doesn't matter which one it is.
That's so ridiculous.
Would you like the smaller one?
Yeah.
Mine's more chunky, but yours is more taller.
Well, then, yeah, that'll work.
It looks like bubble juice. Here, Shelby.
Yeah, that works perfect.
Shelby wants this mint oil. No, don't tease her.
Yep. Right. Yeah. Yeah, that's what we'll do. And if there's any way to get the parts quicker, this dealership with the connections he has and the area manager that handles them is probably the best one we have. I wouldn't bother now. Yeah, we'll get it going this way. No, it's crazy. It's just it is. All right, we'll get it done that way and make it easier. Hopefully. All right. Okay, man. Sorry you have to go through all this. It sucks. You know, the other thing you could do, well, no, never mind. Don't do that. Now, we'll get her done this way. And it works good because Jess is coming up anyway, so that's perfect. Yeah. But I'll get the guy. I already texted him, so I'll get him all worked up about it. Sure.
Watch your side, Winston. Oh, gosh. She'll be in the car wash.
maybe they can get the module in, and then have if the other one needs to wait another week or something, then maybe give the vehicle back, and that way at least it's for sure on its way. Or we'll see when they get in there. Hopefully they get everything accelerated. At least we got the right place. At least the guy will call us back. Unless he's no longer there. He might have left out. He hasn't texted me back. I texted him like probably 15 minutes ago. So sometimes he's in a meeting. It might be an hour, but find out.